Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please make sure to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe in my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Today, we're going to unbox another random blind boxes from PopMart. Most of the IPs or figures that we're gonna unbox today were unboxed already in my previous vlog, but I found them so adorable and cute. That's why I decided to get another boxes for us to see what other characters that they have. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let me start with this 2 Pino Jelly, which is the Hard and Shiny series. I got the September, I no, I got the February, which is the Mamba before. If you see in my background, I had the Mamba, which is the purple one, and I found it very cute and it has a good quality material. That's why I decided to get another boxes. I just hope that I won't get a duplicate because I took them or I purchased them in a different platform. I really want to get my month, which is the November, the actor, and I want to see the September, which is the Nightingale, and the Queen also, and the December. Let's see. I found them very nice. That's why I got another two. They have the same weight, but let me start with this one first. And I'm going to open them at the bottom part because if this one is another duplicate, I'm not gonna open the foil and I'm gonna sell them in the future. So let's see. Let me carefully open the first box. Okay. I hope this one is not a duplicate and it's my Prio. Or maybe a secret, guys. I hope it's a secret. Wait, I'm gonna check the card first, right? So let me show you the first the foil. So this is peanut jelly foil. Still, they use their typical foil. I like their artwork because it's very nice. So let me check the art card. So let me reveal the first figure. One, two, three. Yay! I got the queen, which is the July. I really like this one because of the crown. Let's see. Let me open our queen today. One, two, three. Yes. It's so nice. It's like a gemstone. It's like a ruby. And what I like about this one, when I check at the back, there's a heart-shaped stone which is moving like this. You can turn it or it's turnable. And I like the details of this one because of the cut gems on his head. Even the on his feet and hands, it's like a pieces of gems of ruby. And it's so nice. I like the heart shape on the top of his crown, and this is so very cool. It reminds me of the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. And I love this one. Definitely for keeps. So this is Pino Jelly, month of July Queen. If you like this one, guys, you can comment down below. So guys, I started very good. So I hope it will continue till the very end. So we got already the queen, which is one of my priors. So I hope I'll get another priors, which is I really want to get the actor because this is my month of this is my birthday month, which is November. So let me open now our second figure. I hope it's not a duplicate. I hope it's not. Let's see. Let me open first the art card. So one, two, three. Oh, also this is the April, which is the bridegroom. Yes, it's good. Good thing it's not a duplicate. Though it's not my prio, but I checked this one. This is one of the chase as well. So let me show you our second figure. One, two, three. Yay! So this is nice. I just don't know which gemstone is this, but it reminds me of a crystal one. Oh, okay. It's It's obvious now that this is a diamond because of the diamond shape at the back of peanut jelly. I didn't know that they have their gemstone at the back. So this is so nice. Look guys, the cut of the gems. It's so intricate. It's like a gemstone or of a diamond. It's so nice. I like the head the headpiece of peanut jelly here. It's like pink roses. And if you can see on one of his hand, there is a heart shape inside, like a heart shaped diamond. And this is so cool. Very sparkling. Very nice. I should get more of this one because they are really, really cool. Very intricate details. Even their illustration of their art card is very nice. It looks premium. This is so cool. If you like this one as well, if there's someone watching now which is born on the month of April, you better comment down below. So let's proceed with another Pinot Jelly, guys, which is the newest release from Pop Mart, the Sweet Like Me series. If you can see in my background, I had already four figures that I unboxed on my previous vlogs. And I have another duplicate of this one. So I hope I won't get a duplicate from these four figures that I have. I decided to get another two boxes because I really, really want to get the lollipop one and the popping candy and the smooth candy. So I hope I'll get these three priors of mine. And I hope it's not a duplicate. That's why I'm gonna open this one up at the bottom part so that if ever there's another duplicate from this series, I'm gonna sell them. So let's see. There is one heavy figure and one light figure. So let me open on the lighter one. So let me open at the bottom part. One of the reasons that I'm opening this one at the bottom part because if ever I will decide to sell them in the future, my buyer will get a nice box in a good condition. So let's see if we are getting another Prios or another duplicate. So let me unveil the art card first. So one, two, three. Oh no! It's another duplicate. So this is Happy Gummy Bear. Oh, we have that one in the background. Let me show it to you guys so that you have an idea which is the gummy bear. Though this one will not be hard to sell because this is one of the prios because of the pink color and he's one of the standing Pinot Jelly. So here's our Pinot Jelly gummy bear figure. So it's a duplicate. So let's proceed with our next box. But if you like this one, guys, you are free to comment down below. So guys, so unluckily we got a duplicate on our third figure. So let's see. I hope this one is not a duplicate because I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll be happy with this one or not. So let's see our fourth figure. Though I'm gonna sell them, but I'm hoping that I can unbox a not duplicate and a new figure so that we will be happy opening this one. So let's see. So this is our fourth figure. One, two, three. What the heck? What's this? Oh no, another duplicate, guys. I have this one. So this is my third duplicate already in this figure. Why did they release a lot of sleeping candy in this series? I don't know. So I have this one already. So for those who didn't watch my other videos, so this is the sleeping candy. It's like he's a cotton candy because of the cotton candy inside of his head. If you can see this one, though I like the figure, but I'll be happy if this one is a new figure from this series. But for those who like this one has gradient color of a cotton candy like And Pino Jelly here is sleeping, wearing a sleeping outfit, and even the toes and the feet and hands of Pino Jelly here is like a cotton candy like and gummy texture. This is nice, but it's a duplicate. So let's move on our next figure. But if you like this one, you can comment down below. So guys, I don't know what to say. We have two duplicates in this vlog. So that's the cons of getting separate boxes from one series. You'll have a chances of multiple duplicates, but guys, still it's happy to unbox and it's a nice feeling that you'll get surprised or not. So let us proceed with our next boxes, which is the sweet bean. I got one before. Now we're gonna get another one. I hope it's not a duplicate. I got the can't wait to see you figure, and this one is lighting up. That's why I found this one very nice figure and a good quality figure. That's why I decided to get another two. I just hope it's not a duplicate and it's a new figure or maybe a series. I really want to get the king one, which is you are the best, and the keys and the love letter. So let's see. They have the same weight. Oh, let me open this one, guys, at the bottom part so that if this is another duplicate, I'll cry. No, I'll sell it. And to those who wants this figure, the duplicates that I have, whoever watching now that wants to buy that one, you can comment down below and I'll give you a message. So let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate, guys. Let me show you first the art card. Okay. Oh, guys, so this is another battery operated one. I'm afraid that this is not this is a duplicate. I hope it's not. So let's see. One, two, three. What the heck? I have this one already. Yes, guys, I have this one already. But it's not here. Let me take it for you and show you the figure. Give me a moment. So guys, as I've said, I have this one already. I'm not gonna open the foil because I have this one. I told you this one is lighting up. Let me show you. It is battery operated. Look guys, it's lighting up the signage which is can't wait. I like this one. That's why I decided to get another two. But I got a duplicate. What the heck? So this one is the sweet bean figure. You will definitely love this one, guys. So buy it from me. Just give me a message. So if you like this one, guys, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with our another box, which is another sweet bean. The kiss, I don't know, which is the language of love series. So this one is heavy. This one is lighter. Maybe this is not a duplicate. I hope it's not. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to do. Let me unveil our next figure from Sweet Bean, the Language of Love series. Let me show you the art card first. So one, two, three. Yes, it's not a duplicate, but it's not my Prio. This is who's this one? Okay, so this is for you. Ayan, it's mentioned already here. For you. Let me open this one. I'm happy it's not a duplicate, though it's not my Prio. Let me unveil. Okay. Our sweet bean. One, two, three. Nice. Is this a butter operated? No, it's not. Okay. So sweet bean here is like a magician. It reminds me of Aladdin because of the turban he's wearing as a headpiece. And it's like he's doing a magic because this is wow, the hat. If you know the magician getting out the bunny from the hat. So I just noticed that the ears of bunny here is like a heart shape. So this is a good a good piece of gift for someone that you want to make happy, like your friends or family or your loved ones. This one is so nice. I like the intricate details of the turban, and it's very Aladdin vibe. This is so cool. Not my prio, but still cute. So this is for you. Yeah, this is for you. If you like this one, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our another boxes, which is the Tiny Tiny. I had the Born before and the Rebel. Ay, Rebel? No, it's the Riddle. So I want to get the chess game, the balance, the choice, and the secret. So let's see. Let me open first the first figure from Tiny Tiny. Oops, I don't want to see any spoiler. I hope it's not a duplicate. So one, two, three. Oh, is this? Oh, is this one? Is this my prize? Oh, the one in the cover. So this is, sorry. So this is, oh, there's an inclusion. Oh, oh, why the card is like this? Oh no, why it's like this? It's stripped out. Hmm. So this is balanced. So this is Tiny Tiny. I just don't know why the art card at the back is stripped out. I'm not sure. So this is the what you call this one? This is the stand. So let me show you first and put this one together. What I like about Tiny Tiny is she's very creepy but beautiful at the same time. It mentioned here -8 to 0. What I like about this one is the chip eye that they use for Tiny Tiny, and it's very realistic. I like the eyes. It's gradient blue, and it seems like this is the heart of Tiny Tiny, but it's a star like shape. I don't know. This is very cute. I like the baton that she is handling at the back. It's like she's like a little puppet. And this one is very cute, very creepy, very dark vibe. I like this one. I'm just disappointed with the art card. Huh. So if you like this one, guys, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our another figure and another box from Tiny Tiny, the Prologue series. I really like this series. That's why I decided to get another figures. I have now the Balance, the Born, and the Riddle. I really want to get the Fight Back as well, the Choice, and the Chess Game. So let's see. Let me open at the bottom part again. Oh, careful. Okay. Oh, the foil is open. So one, two, three. Oh, the one I like. I guess this is the puppet. Yeah, there's an inclusion inside. And this is the art card. Very nice art card. I like the illustration. This is the puppet. Very dark side. Let me show you the puppet. This is so cool. I like it's like this is the alter ego of the puppet. And she is the doll at the back. This is so cute. Very nice figure. I like the pale color of the skin of Tiny Tiny here. This is so cool. Let me put the stand. This is another cool figure, guys. So nice. Yep. So the stand is like she's standing in a water. So there's like a wave of the water where she's standing. And this is so cool because I really, really like the puppet at the back of Tiny Tiny here. Again, it's like her alter ego. So this one is definitely a creepy one, but it's a nice and quality figure. So if you agree with me, guys, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our next box. This our 24689 box, and this is the Demo World Stories in the Cup series. I had already the porcelain blossom, the ink bamboo painting, the species animal seal. Am I right? These three I have already. Yeah. So let's see. I really wanna get the black and white game and the Propitious Jades and Sandalwood. I like this one. So let's see. Let me open our next box. Oh, careful. Okay. So one, two, three. Oh, who's this one? This is so nice. Ay, the incense one, right? Let me show you the art card. Okay, and the inclusion. So this is sandalwood incense burner. This one is so cute. It's like it's not a PVC type. I guess it's a PVC type, but it's like a wood finish because of the bark of the trees, and it's like the feet of Dimu here is blending with the trees because of the color. I don't know, and it's like an incense burner. Let me show you the inclusion. I'm not sure if this is magnetized or not. It is. No, it's not magnetized. You just to put like this. Okay. Yeah, so this is cool. It reminds me of a burner, the incense burner actually. What I like about this one is I'm not sure if this is no, it's peach blossoms, but it's red. And this one is a branch of tree like a smoke one going out from the incense burner. This one is so cute and cool, very mysterious. What I like about the head of Demo here is like a bronze copper finish, and it's like a cup of a burner. So this one is so cool. I like the intricate details of the bark of the trees as a stand of Demo here. So nice. It's like Demo here is naked. So give me your thoughts, guys. If you like Demo here, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our next box, which is the Maki, Pop Mart, and Stink Toy collaboration. This is the Celebration Gift Series. Surprisingly, in my previous vlog, I didn't expect to get the secret, so I decided to get another one. So whoever the figure that I'm gonna get this one, I'll be happy. But my prio that I wanna get is the garland and the frosty, also the party cracker or the bow or the Melbaki. All of them are nice. So I got the secret. So I'm happy to get that one. So let's see. Let me open this one at the top part because maybe that's my lucky charm. So let me open this one. I hope I'll get another secret from this figure, but if not, I'll be happy with that. So these are our next figure. So one, two, three. Yay! Who's this guy? It's not a secret. But this one is the one I really, really like from my previous blog. And I just noticed that what I got from that blog is a secret. But this one is my prio actually, the party cracker. Look guys, how colorful. Maki here. It's very glittery. It's very shimmery. I like the gradient color of rainbow on his body. Let me open this one. Maybe you can open this one or not. Oh no, it's not. You can see the tip of Maki here. But this one is so colorful and I like this one. Definitely one of my priors and one of my favorites from this series. Let me put all together the inclusion. There's a lot of inclusion like a mini like candies like this. I don't know how you will put this one. Okay, you can open this one. Look, guys, you can open this one and put all the candies, the mini gem candies inside. And I guess you can put Maki, the small Maki inside as well. Yeah. So this is the small Maki. It's like a mini bunny, very shimmery pink color of Maki Pet. It's like a mini bunny monster. Let me put this one here inside and close this one. Yes, this is so cool. And I'm not sure why this one is how you will put this one. Uh-huh. You can put this one like this or no. Okay. How? Ah, okay. I saw it now. You can stick this one here like this. Okay. And Maki is hold. Ay, no. Oh, no. No. You can put like this one. Yep. And I just don't know why the the string of this party popper is not connecting to Maki. Okay, maybe you can put like this. Yes. Or you can hide it inside of Maki's hand. Yeah. So definitely this is how it is. This is so cool. I like this one. Very colorful. You will definitely love this one. Now, my secret from this series, have a friend now they can stand or sit together. I like this one. Very colorful, very shimmery. If you like this one also, guys, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our next boxes, which are the Twinkle Twinkle series. I have two different series here. This is the big one, and these are beans. These are new releases from Pop Mart. Let me start first with this big one, which is the Twinkle Twinkle. I'm not sure which Big Hug series. So from this series, I unboxed the fortune cookies. So I hope it's not a duplicate this time. I really wanna get the lovely puppy and the make a wish and the handwritten gift. So let's see, guys. Let me open this one at the bottom part because if this one is another fortune cookie, I will very sad. I hope it's a new figure from this series so that there will be another friend from Twinkle Twinkle. So let me open first or show you first the art card. I can see it. I don't want to say any spoiler. Okay, so this is the art card. It seems like it's a duplicate. I saw it. I hope it's not. So one, two, three. I told you! It's another duplicate! Oh my goodness. What is this? I got like four duplicates on this vlog. Oh my god. Let me get that one for you. I'll be right back. So guys, this is the fortune cookie that I got from my previous vlog. I'm so unlucky because guys, this is the only figure that I have from this series and I decided to get another one. It's another fortune cookie. Or maybe I need another luck this time. That's why I got this fortune cookie again. So, though this one is very cute, but it's a duplicate. So what should I do? So let me proceed with the other boxes. But if you like Fortune Cookie of Twinkle Twinkle, you can comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our Twinkle Twinkle. This is the I don't know Be a Little Star series. These are like a pop bean, a big pop bean, I guess. So I decided to get two boxes. I just hope I won't get a duplicate or the same figure from these boxes. So let's see. Though my prior here is I want to get the blueberry jam, I wanna get the squid ink sausage as well, and black pepper sauce, and the tomato ketchup, and the secret. So let's see. Let me open this one here because this is the one, or this is the part where you can open this bin. Oh, this is so small. I hope it's a very nice one figure or bin. One, two, three. Oh, who's this? It's like he's grumpy. Let me show you. Is there's a card? Okay, there's a card here. Oh, very nice card. So this is the hot dog. He doesn't look like a hot dog, but this one is so cute, like a hot dog star. Let me show you this one. What it's inside? Hmm, I guess create your taste. Twinkle twinkle. Maybe just a like a notes. So this is the art card of Twinkle Twinkle, Pick and Pair Joy, hot dog. Very nice. This one is very cute, very small figure, a, lit- a little bit bigger than the usual bean. So I like this one. Definitely for gifts, not my prio, but Twinkle Twinkle here is so cute. And if you think he's cute as well here, you can comment down below. Let's proceed with our finale box. So I hope it's not a hot dog this time. I'll get our prios and a secret. So let me open this one now. I don't want to see the art card yet. Our next top bean from Twinkle Twinkle is one, two, three. What the heck? What's this? What is this? Pop Mart, why are you so rude to me? You know my face right now is like this. I'm so angry with you. I got this two hot dog. You should get from other boxes, not on the same boxes. Or maybe on the same box so that it will be different from each other. Oh my god. So I have two hot dogs this time from this series, from this pop bin. I hate you. No, I love this. So cute. Oh no, I have too many duplicates. You know, guys, this vlog is so roller coaster vlog because I get a lots of disappointments and fun and happy feeling because I get some of my priors and a lot of duplicates. What can I say? This is fun still. So let's proceed. You want two hot dogs? You can comment down below. So guys, these are the complete set of what we unboxed for today. Again, as I've said, it's a roller coaster of unboxing because I got my priors, I got duplicates, I got what I want, I got what I didn't want, but still, it's a fun unboxing, and you will definitely enjoy watching this vlog. And if you think you are happy and you enjoy watching my vlog, you are free to comment down below. And if you have other IPs that you want me to unbox in the future, just give me your comments and I'll be happy to unbox it for you. And I'm going to choose my top favorites from this set. And my top five pick will be, or my first pick will be Maki. Definitely, this one is my top favorites from this series. Even from before, I really wanna get this one, but so luckily and surprisingly, I got the secret from this series. So definitely, this is my first pick on this vlog. My second one is Pino Jelly, the Queen. I really wanna get this one even before unboxing of my previous figure from this series, and one is my second fave. My third fave will be I really want Tiny Tiny, which is the puppet. I like the creepiness of this figure. Very dark vibe. I like Tiny Tiny. I really want to complete the set of this one. So I hope I have a chance to get another boxes of Tiny Tiny. So this is my third pick. My fourth pick will be though this pop bin of Twinkle Twinkle is a duplicate. I found this one very very cute. It it reminds me of myself now, or it reminds me, or it shows my facial expression now to you, Pop Mart. So this one is definitely my top favorites from this series. And my final pick will be, of course, Dimu. I got this one, very nice figure. I like the gradient color of Dimu here, from pale color to pink to dark black. It's like a wood type. And this one is very, it reminds me of a Chinese vibe. So definitely this one enters my top favorites from this collection. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching my vlogs, and if you enjoyed this one, you are free, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you won't forget also to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. And thank you so much, and enjoy the fun on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!